This segment on the 574 and More is sponsored by Home Comfort Experts.
We're out on location with the 574 and More, and here we are in front of this air conditioning unit that is about to get serviced. And James Olson, operations manager from Home Comfort Experts, is here. And when do we want to get our AC serviced?
Really, at any point through the summer, we'll accomplish what you need to accomplish. If it's been a few years, have it done kind of pre-season before it gets hot. Make sure that air conditioner is ready to handle the heat and humidity that is coming. If it's something you've done year after year, as long as it's done once throughout the season is plenty.
So what are we doing when we get it serviced? Like, what's happening?
First and foremost is getting it clean. It sounds simple. It's a much more complicated process than just spraying with a garden hose. The top's going to come completely off the unit. The sides are going to come off the unit. We're going to clean the coil from the inside out. If there's dirt and stuff in this coil and I'm spraying with a garden hose from the outside, a lot of that dirt you're just pushing deeper into the coil. So from the inside out, we're going to use a chemical cleaner to really loosen that dirt, get it as clean as possible. This air conditioner needs to breathe. It needs to have air being pulled through the coil to transfer the heat of the refrigerant. That's how it works and what makes it efficient. So first and foremost, clean. We're going to get the leaves and debris and sticks and that sort of stuff out of the bottom of the unit. Electrically, we're going to make sure that all the electrical connections are still in good shape. They sit outside in the winter and deal with temperature change and humidity and that sort of thing. And one little rusted wire connection can cause a high amp draw. It can cause a motor or a compressor not to even work. The mice and chipmunks that love to move into these air conditioners throughout the winter months that chew on wires, making sure that you're not going to, the first time you turn your air conditioner on, short something out, ruin a part, that sort of thing too.
And when we call Home Comfort Experts and schedule that appointment, about how long does it take?
Somewhere in the hour and a half to 2 hour range. Again, it can be done a lot quicker than that. We don't take any of those shortcuts. We want that air conditioner to be as close to like new condition as possible by the time we're done.
Okay, and what are we going to do inside?
Inside, we are going to check and change the furnace filter, the blower wheel that's actually moving air through the house. The same blower that your furnace uses, we're using that for air conditioning. Check the ductwork, make sure it's in shape, make sure it's clean enough. The indoor coil, the evaporator coil that actually has the cold refrigerant running through it, make sure that that's as clean as possible. We're going to flush the drain pan. The most common drain leak on an HVAC system is the air conditioning drain. A little bit of dirt that does get through the filter up into that coil. That coil's pulling humidity out of the air. So that dirt washes down with the condensation into the drain pan, plugs up a drain line, and away you go. So obviously, hey, we're busy. You know, even live on set, the phone rings and people are needing help.
Okay, so if you need to get your air conditioner serviced, call him, 574-255-4600. Of course, you can find Home Comfort Experts online at callhomecomfort.com. And this is the 574 and More, and back to work for you.
Yeah, on my way.
Okay.